Hello everyone. This is Diala Jawari again and I'm here to help you learn Arabic. مرحبا جميعا اسمي ديالا الجوهري وأنا هون لساعدكم تتعلموا عربي. You guys, today we're going to learn together how to express things or actions that are happening right now. Once you know how to talk about what you're doing right now, you gain the power to share your immediate actions or situations with others. So, watch the intro or skip it and let's get started. Okay guys, so this lesson is going to be a very short lesson. First of all, as usual, let's start with modern standard Arabic. You have to know, you guys, that in modern standard Arabic, unlike what happens usually, things are so much easier because here we don't use a distinct verb tense or auxiliary word for the present progressive. It's the same verb we use to express regular actions. I mean the simple present tense. So for example, if I say يأكل, that could mean he eats or could mean he is eating. And I know that the question that's raised in your minds right now is, how do we tell the difference? To hint for another person that the action you're expressing is an action happening right now in modern standard, you have to use certain adverb. And this adverb is الآن. الآن. And it means right now or now. Once you have the word الآن in your modern standard Arabic sentence, you will directly know that the action expressed is in the progressive form. And to illustrate that, let's take some examples. If I say سامي يتناول طعامه الآن. First of all, let's translate this sentence. Sami is a name of a boy. يتناول طعامه means is eating or eats. The thing is, to know whether it is eats or is eating, take a look on the word that follows this expression, which is الآن. الآن, and it means now. Now this word indicates that يتناول طعامه is an action happening right now. So the sentence translates to Sammy is eating now. Sammy is eating now. If we take this sentence, رامي يعمل في بيروت. رامي يعمل في بيروت. رامي يعمل في بيروت. رامي is a name of a boy. يعمل means works or is working. في بيروت means in Beirut. Beirut is a capital of Lebanon. So if I say رامي يعمل في بيروت, since I don't have the word الآن here, you can directly know that this sentence is expressing an action that happens frequently and not right now. So it means Rami works in Beirut. While if I said Rami يعمل في بيروت الآن, that means Rami is working in Beirut right now. As if someone is asking about Rami and as if someone is asking where Rami is right now, and I'm answering that he is right now working in Beirut. Let's take another example. أماني تعرض لوحاتها الآن. Amani is a name of a girl. تعرض means displays or is displaying. لوحاتها, لوحات is paintings. لوحاتها, her paintings. The word الآن is now. This word expresses that this sentence is talking about an action happening right now, and that means that this sentence means Amani is displaying her paintings now. أماني تعرض لوحاتها الآن. While if I said أماني تعرض لوحاتها without the word الآن, this directly indicates that I'm expressing an action that happens frequently, as if I'm saying that Amani usually displays her paintings. So this is the difference. The thing is, you use the same verb to express frequent actions and progressive actions in modern standard. What makes a difference is to hint with the word الآن in your sentence, or if you're reading the sentence, to just imply the meaning of the sentence by looking for the word الآن. One more thing, you guys, that there's another word that can hint that you're talking about progressive and not frequency, which is في هذه اللحظة. في هذه اللحظة. And that means at this moment. Okay, very easy. I know it's unusual for a modern standard, but now let's move to spoken Arabic. Well, actually, in spoken Arabic, they decided they don't want to confuse people, so they came up with a form for progressive actions. And it's actually a prefix you put behind the verb, and that prefix indicates that you're talking about something that is happening right now. The form is am, and you use a present tense verb preceded by ba sakina. So am, b, and then present tense verb. Okay? To illustrate that, let's take some examples. If I want to say Sammy is eating now, in modern standard we say Sammy يأكل, and we add the word الآن to express that this thing is happening right now. But in spoken Arabic, Sammy stays the same. Sammy is eating becomes am, and I'll add b in the beginning and then ياكل. So it becomes عم بياكل. عم بياكل. سامي عم بياكل. By pronouncing things fast, ba becomes almost silent, not pronounced. It's omitted. So it is heard as عم ياكل. عم ياكل. So we say سامي عم ياكل. سامي عم ياكل. Means Sammy is eating now. Rami is working in Beirut. Rami is the name of a boy, so it stays the same. Rami, Rami, just roll the ra a bit. Rami is working. To work for a male is يشتغل. Is working. عم بيشتغل. عم بيشتغل. عم بيشتغل. In spoken Arabic is be, and Beirut stays the same. Beirut. In Beirut, ببيروت. Rami is working in Beirut. رامي عم يشتغل ببيروت. رامي عم يشتغل ببيروت. Amani is displaying her paintings. Amani is the name of a girl, so it stays the same. Amani is displaying. Display for a girl is تعرض. Is displaying. عم تعرض. عم تعرض. Saying it fast. عم تعرض. عم تعرض. Amani is displaying. أماني عم تعرض. Her paintings. Paintings is لوحات. Her paintings لوحاتها. Amani is displaying her paintings. أماني عم تعرض لوحاتها. أماني عم تعرض لوحاتها. I'm drinking coffee. I is أنا. Am drinking. Drink for أنا is بشرب. Am drinking. عم بشرب. عم بشرب. Coffee is قهوة. أنا عم بشرب قهوة. I'm drinking coffee. But we said that it's not necessary in spoken Arabic to mention the pronoun if the listener already knows that you're talking about yourself. So it's better to say عم بشرب قهوة. عم بشرب قهوة. I'm drinking coffee. عم بشرب قهوة. More natural to say it this way. Now, before we end this lesson, just to note you guys that the word now in spoken Arabic is expressed as Halla. Halla, which means right now or now. And just to note that this word is used in the Levant area. Other areas like Gulf region, they say الحين. It's not necessary to include this word when you want to express something in progressive, but it's okay to include it if you want to. Like, if I'm asking you what are you doing right now, I can say شو عم تعمل or شو عم تعمل هلا. So it's up to you. You can include it or you can dismiss it, unlike what happens in modern standard. Okay, so this is everything, you guys, for this lesson. I hope you guys enjoy it. Just remember that there are additional sample sentences and conversations for you to practice in the textbook. So go ahead and grab your copy of the textbooks available on Amazon. Link in the description, you guys. And please share me in the comments about your experience with these textbooks. How did you find it? Is it easy for you? Did you expect something else to be included in this textbook? In that way, you will help me build much more efficient tools for you to use in learning Arabic. I'm so happy to help you in this journey. And please, you guys, don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel, hit the bell to stay tuned on the upcoming videos, and don't forget to follow me on Spotify Arabic Sahel community. You guys, بشوفكم بالدرس الثاني وبتمنى تكونوا عم تدرسوا منيح. I'll see you in the next lesson, and I hope you're studying well. Salam.
Arabic Sahel.